Hey, how you doing? This is Dave down here in La Habra showing a 4-bedroom, 2-bath home, roughly about 1,400 square feet, 2-car garage. It's got a fireplace. It also has some fruit trees in the back, which makes it super nice. And it's in a beautiful neighborhood right over here in La Habra. This home's going for $550,000. So if you would like to get a free list of these awesome homes before they even hit the market, I'm talking where you could beat out other buyers to the best new listings, all you have to do is just give us a call. Phone number is 562-252-7889. Again, it's area code 562-252-7889. And we'll send out that free list of homes where these homes are not even on the market right now. These are homes that are owned by corporate owners. They own these homes. They're working on fixing and flipping these houses and getting them ready for the market. And a great way where you could actually get priority access to beat out all the other buyers is just give us a call. We'll send out that free list for you at no cost or any obligation. Right now, I'm standing in the backyard of this place, and you can see behind me beautifully landscaped. It's got lemon trees, orange trees in the back, palm trees. I'm here with Mark Galvan. And Mark, how long have you been in the real estate industry for?
About 20 years.
About 20 years. So we're actually out here showing this house to one of our VIP buyer clients. And can you give us just a little quick background about this home right here, like the features of the home?
Yeah, we're in La Habra right now, off Whittier Boulevard, north of. It's a four-bedroom, two-bathroom house.
Yeah.
It's about 1,400 square feet.
Okay.
Lots about 7,200 square feet.
Yeah.
A lot of upgrades, nice floors, had tile roof on it. It has vinyl windows. It has central air. The furnace is in good condition.
Yeah. Everything right here is looking like it's very new. Like if I'm looking at the floor right here, this flooring here has been, just maybe not even a year old. Even the windows, would you say that these windows right here are very new, Mark?
Yeah, those are definitely pretty new.
These double pane windows, because when we close them all up, I can't hear anything on the outside on these windows. This makes it, you got better insulation, so it keeps the cold air out, the hot air out, in the different climates and stuff like that, right?
Yeah, it has some recessed lighting and nice light fixtures, remodeled kitchen, updated kitchen.
Right.
Looks real nice.
So one of the things that we offer is that where you could actually get priority access and beat out other buyers to these listings. And what we do is we work with a lot of motivated home sellers out there, plus our corporate owners out there. These are corporations that own these properties and they're working on them right now. And if you want to beat out other buyers to these homes and get access to these properties before they hit the MLS, then just give us a call. I'm over here back at the office right now, and one of the great things about this business is really helping people achieve their dream there. And that's what we're about to do. Is I just met with our client. He's married, he's got 3 kids, and they're looking for a home that they could call home for many, many, many years. And we help so many families out there do the same exact thing. And if you're thinking about buying a house, not only do we give priority access to these best listings out there, but we also help people buy a home just like that one there with absolutely no money down. So if you're interested in getting a free report on how to stop paying rent and own your own home, we'll send you this free copy of this report, mailed to you free of charge without any cost or any obligation. All you have to do is just give us a call, give me a buzz. My phone number here at the office is 562-252-7889. We'll get that report out to you free of charge. To actually buy a home, what lenders look at is 2 years on the job. So have you been working on the job for 2 years? It does not have to be in the same job, but it's got to be 2 years. And there's some caveat to that. So it doesn't always necessarily have to be a 2-year job. Now, give you an example. If you went to school and you've got a 4-year degree, we actually can use that education for 4 years as job history. And in those cases, there's no tax returns, no W-2s. All we're looking for is pay stubs. So there's some things out there that a lot of even lenders don't even know that can actually help you buy a house. And that's just years of experience. So I've been doing this since 1996. I've been involved with thousands of transactions. I've been, working with hundreds and hundreds of families buying, sell houses. I've been in the underwriting department. I know what lenders are looking for. I know how to structure the loans. I know a lot about the financing part. Plus, we have this great system where we could actually get you in front of these homes out there with motivated home sellers. Many of these people, they're just ready to sell their home right away without even putting it on the market, because we run a guaranteed sales program. So we advertise your home sold guaranteed, to buy it for cash. We make cash offers all the time. And that's one avenue for you if you're thinking about buying a house and saving, 10% off these homes, 20%, that's thousands of dollars, $30,000, $40,000 off market value. And we actually could get you access to these properties. So if you're interested in that free report on actually how to buy a home with no money down, rates are really, really low right now, and it's making it a lot more affordable for home buyers buying homes today. So all you have to do is just give me a call here at the office, and I'll certainly get that report mailed out to you free of charge and without any obligation. Thanks for watching, and let's go make it a great day.